kids bed.
3 times 2 is 6. 5 times 2 is 10. 4 times 1 is 4. 7 times 1 is 7. 3 times 2 is 6. 4 times 2 is 8. 5 times 2 is 10. 2 times 4 is 8. 3 times 3 is 9. 2 times 5 is 10.